Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 40 ADB debugging or USB debugging commands for debugging and repair Google TV or Android TV. First let me go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to system. Go to about. Under about go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Then under system you can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. From this list we need to enable USB debugging or ADB debugging. Let me enable. Done. After that we can connect this TV to laptop using USB cable. See, I have connected this TV to laptop using this USB cable. After that, in laptop we need to install this ADB tool. We can download this platform tool zip file from internet, then extract, go to this folder. Here you can see adb.exe. From this path we need to run cmd command. Enter. Okay, so from here we can run commands, ADB commands. Here you can see list of ADB commands. Let me run one by one. First command, we can list all apps installed in the TV using this command. Select this command, paste here, then enter. See, it has listed all apps installed in this device. Next command, if you want to list only the third-party apps that we installed from Google Play Store, we can list using this command. Let me run this command. See, it has listed YouTube, Netflix, then Firefox, Explore app, AirScreen. So these are the apps that I installed from Google Play Store. Next command, we can filter. For example, if you want to see the package name of this Netflix app, we can run this command and we can find package name of Netflix. See, so we can filter like this. See, using this fourth command we can open Netflix app. So let me run this command. This command will open Netflix app in TV. Let me try. See, opened. See, we can uninstall Netflix using this command. Let me copy this command. Before I run this command, let me go to apps tab and here you can see Netflix app. Then let me run this command. See, it has deleted Netflix. You can see the message Netflix uninstalled. Using this command you can go to home screen. See, right now I am in app screen. Let me go to home screen, copy this command. See, we can install Netflix using this command. Let me copy this command. It will install Netflix and start. Enter. See, now it's installing Netflix. Let me select install. Using this command we can record screen. See, it will record screen and store in this file video.mp4. So let me go to apps tab, open this file manager. Then go to this internal shared storage. This video.mp4 file will be stored here. Okay, so let me run this command, copy this. Enter. See, screen recording has been started. So let me do some action here. Right now it's recording all this. Okay, so let me stop. For stop this we can press Ctrl C. Okay, stopped. So next I am going to play this recorded video. Go to apps, go to this file manager. then refresh, go down. Here you can see video.mp4. Let me play this. See. So this way we can do screen recording. Okay, so you can try this. Using this command we can install and open Hotstar. So let me try. See, Hotstar was already installed, that is why it's opened immediately. Next command is a backup command. So we can take backup of all data in the device, in the TV. We can take backup of apps, photos, videos, everything. So those backups will be stored in this file. So this file you can find here in this folder in laptop. So this way we can take backup of TV and store in laptop. And this would be useful if you are planning to do hard reset. So first you can take backup by running this command, then you can do hard reset, then later you can restore using this command. Okay, so first let me take backup, copy this command, run it. Here you can see a white screen. Go down, go to right side. You can see right side bottom, select backup my data. See backup starting. Okay, backup completed. So let me check backup file. Here you can see the backup.ab. Let me check the property. See 8 MB. So it will take backup of the apps that we newly installed and files and videos that we stored. Okay. Next I will show you how we can restore this file. This is a command to restore. Copy this. And here you can specify this file. Let me execute. Again you get the same white screen. Go down right side, select restore my data. See restore starting, done. So this way we can restore. So these are the two commands to take backup and restore. Let me go to next command. Using this command we can list all files and folders inside the SD card directory or slash directory. See. So let me go to the next one. See, using these commands we can upload files from laptop to TV. So here I will be showing two examples. The first example, I will be uploading one image from laptop to TV. The second example, I will be uploading one video file from laptop to TV. And this is the image I will be uploading. And this is the video file. So let me upload. So before I upload, let me open this file manager app. So when I upload, that file will come here. Okay, first I am going to upload this image. Execute this command. Done. Then here let me refresh. And here you can see that image. See. Let me open. See. So next I am going to upload this video file. Done. Then again refresh. See, here you can see the video file. So this way we can transfer files from laptop to TV. So next I will show you how we can transfer file from TV to laptop. So here I will be transferring this file, the image of the dog, from TV to this F drive test folder. So let me go to F drive test folder. So I will be transferring that file here. Okay, so let me copy this command, then run Okay, done. Let me verify. Go to F drive. See, under test folder you can see this image. Okay. Next I will show you how we can delete a file from the TV. So I am going to delete this file, image of the dog. Copy this command. Execute. Done. Deleted. Let me refresh. See, it's deleted. We can turn on or off screen using this command. So first let me turn off or put screen in sleep mode. Done. So we can again run that same command. That way we can turn on. Okay. If you want to run screensaver, you can run this command. Let me execute. See, if you want to power off this device, you can run this command. I am not going to execute this one right now. Using this command, we can move down. Let me test it. See, let me again go down. We can repeat it. And using this command, we can move up. Then this one, move right. And this is for move left. If you want to open settings, you can run this command. It will open settings in TV. See, if you want to check current resolution, you can use this command. See, this is the current resolution. So if you want to set resolution to 4K, you can use this command. See, we can set resolution to full HD. See, resolution changed. If you want to revert this change, you can run this command, reset command. See, done. Next, density we can change. If you want to zoom in, we can use this command. And we can zoom out. See, if you want to revert this change, you can use this reset command. So we can do screen rotation. So let me try that. Let me try this. See, this way we can rotate screen. So let me restore this. We can adjust volume. We can increase volume using this command. Then we can down the volume. Mute and unmute. For mute and unmute, we can use same command. The next one is screenshot. So we can take screenshot and store in the laptop. So let me try this. Okay, done. So let me open that screenshot. See, using this command we can check partitions. See, these are the partitions. If you want to list all global settings, use this command. See, these are the global settings. This is a big list. If you want to filter, you can use this command. I want to see the global setting of ADB. See, ADB is enabled. And if you want to list system settings, you can use this command. So this command will list all secure settings. See, we can turn on or off Wi-Fi using these commands. So let me test. So let me go to Wi-Fi. First I am going to disable Wi-Fi. Let me execute. See, Wi-Fi is off. So let me turn on Wi-Fi. See, so next one is cache. So we can clear cache of an app using this command. So this command will clear cache of Netflix app. So let me test. First go to settings. Set all settings from top. Go to apps. Set Netflix. Go down. Here you can see the cache and data. So I am going to clear this. Okay, so let me set this command. Execute. Okay, done. Let me refresh. See, now it shows both the data and cache is 0. If we want to clear cache of all apps, we can clear using this command. Done. Last command. Using this command, we can delete all unnecessary files. Files we downloaded, log files, cache. Just run these 3 commands. So this way we can delete all unnecessary files and create free space. Okay, done. So there is one more command which explains how to enable wireless debugging. Okay, so these are the 40 commands. So you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.